Great little car, taken in part exchange, Ford Fiesta 1.2 Edge 5-door. A nice clean example, makes somebody an ideal first car or a little runabout. Finished in Moonstone silver metallic. It's a 2012 on a 12 plate, 1.2, 80 brake horsepower. 8 service stamps in the book. So very well looked after. Nice low mileage, low insurance. Let's take you around it. Good size boot on these Fiestas, nice and deep, lots of space in there. Split folding rear seats. No major damage anywhere on the vehicle. This is a very clean and tidy for a 2012 car. No major dents, scratches, scuffs or dings down the sides. It's got the plastic wheel trims. All those in fairly good condition. Again, no major damage on any of those. Good tyres all the way around, plenty of tread, and again the bodywork is nice and clean. It really is a well cherished example all the way around. As you can see, no major dents at all. All the trims nice and clean. Plenty of space in the back, over mats on it, get all the upholstery, trims, undamaged, non-smoker's car. Good space in the back. Electric windows, electric mirrors, again the door trim, everything nice and tidy, plenty of storage in the door pockets there. Again the driver's seats, nice and clean, no major wear. Mileage of just 51,811, that's all it's done, 51,000 miles. Nice stereo, CD, aux input, all nice clear layout. Volume control, stereo surge on the steering wheel. Air conditioning. Fast speed manual gearbox. USB aux input. We have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack. As I mentioned, 8 service stamps in the book. Low insurance. Ideal first car. Full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Finance options available. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website to save anybody else beating you to it. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. If you want any further information on this beautiful little Fiesta, we're just at the end of the phone, 01782 822 700. Specialist cars based in Stoke on Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, been established since 1997. and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.